Unlock the future of artificial intelligence with Nano Banana, a revolutionary platform powering next-generation AI applications. Imagine AI that empowers advanced robotics, enabling machines to perform incredibly complex tasks with unparalleled dexterity and learning capabilities. Nano Banana's architecture is designed for the demands of autonomous systems, facilitating real-time decision-making and adaptive navigation in ever-changing landscapes. Experience the power of predictive analytics on an entirely new level, where Nano Banana identifies subtle trends and anticipates future outcomes with astonishing accuracy. To begin harnessing Nano Banana's potential, the first step is to understand its core framework and how its specialized components interact for optimized AI performance. Next, we focus on integrating your specific datasets, ensuring that Nano Banana can effectively learn and adapt to your unique application requirements. This involves a strategic approach to model training and iterative refinement, a crucial phase where Nano Banana's efficiency truly shines. Our third step is to leverage Nano Banana for innovative techniques. This means exploring its advanced algorithms for pattern recognition, anomaly detection, and intelligent control. By implementing these strategies, you can unlock cutting-edge developments across various fields, from groundbreaking scientific research to highly efficient operational systems. Nano Banana is your gateway to futuristic advancements, enabling you to build AI that is not just intelligent, but truly transformative.